Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use a peel and stick contact paper to change the backsplash of your kitchen. Right now my kitchen is all white and white marble, and I thought that the black would be a nice touch to tie in the rest of my apartment. And yeah, let's get started. For materials, you're going to need contact paper, measuring tape, scissors, an Xacto knife, and a squeegee to make your life easier. And then you're going to measure the backsplash space and cut the appropriate size contact paper to apply. On the back, you'll notice there are lines, so this way you guys can make sure you cut a straight line and it goes on evenly. Okay, so I finished applying all the contact paper on the backsplash. I love how it came out. For me, this works better because there's a lot of like black that I have going on in the apartment, and this area is just a little too like white. So yeah, and remember they have different options where you guys can do like concrete, you could do like a gray marble, literally anything you could think of. So yeah, let me know what you guys think.